So I want to show you guys what I've been making on the side. So I've had this problem with making PowerPoints over the past few years that I'm always having to update the actual PowerPoint via PowerPoint, like the objects, text graphs. And I had this idea of, since image models are better at PowerPoint and PowerPoint design than traditional coding mechanisms like Claude and PowerPoint, we can actually just use a image model to create the whole PowerPoint. And this is exactly what it does. This provides a render mechanism and a MCP, so you can connect your own agent, or you can use the agent that is in the app. So we're going to use the agent that is in the app, and you can choose as many styles that we have, but you can also make your own custom style if you'd like. I just have all of these. We're going to use Apple style for now, and we're just going to make a deck for Substrate to sell to potential customers. And the nice feature, since I'm pretty much the user here, I want context. I want the agent to have context into what Substrate is. So we're going to add context. So let's just build with the agent. And at the top here, you can see the agent's working. You can, as you may have already experienced, an agent just reading files, reading the deck, reading what we have, and then it's going to make a prompt for each, and then use GBT ImageGen 2, which is currently the best image model right now. I might speed it up a little bit, but so right here you can see this is the slide prompt. This is the main reason why I called it Substrate, is because the substrate is the prompt. You're editing, so if you want to edit the slide, you're editing the prompt, not the objects on the PowerPoint itself. So I always had this, I've always made PowerPoints with Claude Code and a image model tool, but the problem I had was collaboration. So this is my attempt at solving the collaboration part. So, if somebody has a comment or something like that, they can further edit the prompt if they want, or just ask the agent to edit if they want. So we can see here that this is a Apple style slide deck here. The prompt is artifact, of course, yes. Image model returns pixels, yeah. And it has this little isometric looking design I like here. So yeah, it'll just go through and create it. It has a queue mechanism, so you don't get rate limited or anything. And you can connect this to your Claude Code, or your Codex, or any agent client, of course, and it'll do the same thing. You're not using your API tokens, you're using your subscription. So it's done. As you can tell, all of them are not queued and not rendering. So we can go up here and we can export to a PowerPoint. I'm just going to save to my downloads. As you can see up here, I saved to my downloads. And here is the PowerPoint. And this is it. And if you go into the notes, nice little feature is the prompt is in the notes. So it doesn't get lost if you export it or anything. Pretty cool design. There's no way I would be able to make this with an agent that has access to like Python to create a PowerPoint, or PowerPoint parametrically. That's what all of the other agents do. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Yep. If you want to try it out, it is at Substrate. I'll put it in the link wherever I post this. I'll put the GitHub link. All you gotta do is just download the release here. If you're on Windows, you download the exe file. If you're on a Mac, you download the DMG file. Yeah, peace.